In this episode, we have 1, a Justice League character, 2, you can't catch them all, 3, an anime design, and for you customizers, stick around to the end where we cover how to bedazzle your customs. Yo, what's up YouTube? It's Orlando. Welcome to Wall of Hype, where we showcase artists that can take plain kicks like Air Force Ones, Jordans, cleats, Vans, and turn them into customs that sneakerheads love. But before I start, please hit that like and subscribe button if you're new. We have links to all featured artists and their work in the description below. Our first goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers. Now, let's get started. In this design, we have a Man of Steel concept on the Air Jordan 3. The designer, Astro Torf Customs. Now this shoe just caught my eye. I love the gold right off the bat. You got the shoelaces, you got the toe box, but what caught me was that gradient or that shadow effect between the gold and the red. That popped for me, and then it made me want to look more into the shoe. You can see the blue, and then you have on the tongue tag a slightly different color blue. But if we look through these photos, on the back heel, we got the Superman logo, and that looks like that took some time. So whether it was hand brushed, airbrushed, you can tell there's some details that went into that, the S logo. This is in celebration of the upcoming Justice League movie. But for some of you guys who are also watching on the CW, we also got the Superman and Lois TV series that just came out. Make sure you guys check that out. But can't wait for Justice League, the Snyder Cut to hit. In this photo, you can see we have a fully articulated Superman, and when you see the colors and the matchup, it came out perfect. Astro Torf Customs, his skills are just beyond the norm. So great work as always. This shoe was a nice addition to your sneaker game. We have B-Bizen with a Yeezy Pokémon themed 25th anniversary celebration. You can just see the characters right off the bat on this black and white Yeezy. The colors pop for each of these characters. You just can't catch them all. Let's just go through these photos and you can just see the detail on this fabric at this scale. There is skills involved to recreate this. It's just a beautiful piece of work. And we could zoom in. Let's see if we can zoom in on this. Yeah, so look at these colors. You got all these shades, especially you can just see it in Pikachu. You got the yellow, but then you got the red, but then you got the shadows, right? So Charizard, all these characters, they have some sort of not just block colors, but they have a depth added to them that just where this artist is just a phenomenal. So you look in between those characters as well. You can see that it's like that rainbow effect changing from color to color. This was just a smart design that any Pokemon or shoe sneakerhead would love. Great work. Can't wait to see what you come up with next. All right, guys, check out this project by Color Me Fresh. The shoe, an Air Jordan 1. The design, it's an anime, Gaara. Now, for you anime fans out there, I'm gonna need some help. I don't know anything about this anime. So in the comments below, let me know if you've watched this, if you've seen this, and if this is something I should put on my list. But I had to touch on this shoe. This shoe caught my eye, the colors, the Nike swoosh, that's dimensional in here. The overall feel and tone. This shoe is just, it's an amazing and a beautiful design. So let's start off with just looking at the toe. Look at that, it looks like dust has been kicked up, but it's an airbrush gradient, speckle feel, and then you have the artwork of the character on the side of the shoe with that added Nike swoosh, and then the colors. You have that dark earthy tones, right? The green, the browns, the burgundies, the grays in the character. It's just, this is beautiful. And then you can see on the other shoe, it looks like there's characters on each side. And just look at the detail on this. It's, you know, being an artist and drawing and sketching is a talent of its own. But then mastering colors, mixing paint, that's another skill that you have to work on and try to get these tones matching perfect. So when I see this, I'm just in awe. You know, I love the color all the way around. A little video of his, see, he already had a concept in mind, and then he took that concept and he made it on the shoe. So, and just look at that, those details, those colors, wow. You know, you got the custom tongue tag just as an added, you know, I'm inspired to now going back and start designing and doing something. But, you know, just look at that. Again, I need some help. In the comment below, please let me know if this is something I need to add onto my watch list. Great work coloring me fresh. Can't wait to see what you come up with next. Now on to our bonus content, where we talk about how to bedazzle or add stones to your customs. Here we have a design by the Stoned Aesthetic, and here we get to see how these little gems are added to the Nike. Now, you can already see that there's a glue strip, and then you go hand, and then you go one by one, and you just add on the jewels. Now, this looks like a simple custom. Obviously, it's time consuming. A lot of work goes into it, but just a simple change or touch or addition to a shoe can change it entirely. So in this one, you can see there's just the jewels, and then we have a few paint lines and color changes. That's not too much to do. Thank you, the Stone Aesthetic, for getting us this behind the scenes look. Great job. Can't wait to see what you come up with next. That's it for this video. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button to help out the channel. Comment below and let us know if the bonus content was helpful, or which one of these custom kicks is your favorite. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video from Wall of Hype.